Today we're going to be installing Terraform on Windows 11. To get started, go to terraform.io/downloads. Go ahead and download the binary. Once that's finished downloading, go ahead and extract the zip file. I'm going to rename the folder Terraform. Go ahead and cut the folder and paste it in the program files. Next, we're going to edit the system environment variables. Select environment variables, then under system variables, select path and press the edit button. Now press the new button and enter your path to Terraform. Press OK. Now open the command prompt and type Terraform version. And there you have it. You have successfully installed Terraform. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.